Hello friends, welcome to my new video. In this video we are going to talk about different milling operation performed on milling machine, and we will see which cutters are used for performing these operations. Now we will see types of milling operations one by one. Now we will see the plane milling or slab milling operation. In this operation, flat horizontal surfaces are produced by using plane milling cutter or slab milling cutter, and these horizontal surfaces are parallel to the axis of cutter, and the cutting teeth of the cutter can be parallel to the axis of the cutter or can be helical in nature. And now we will see how these operations are performed. Firstly, the cutter is mounted on the arbor. This is the arbor. It is mounted on it, and when this arbor rotates, with it the cutter also rotates. Then we can adjust the depth of cut of the workpiece by moving the table up and down. And now we will see the second operation, plane face milling. In this, horizontal flat surfaces are produced by using a cutting tool, and this milling operation is mainly performed in vertical milling machine, and the cutter is mounted horizontally, and we can produce horizontal flat surfaces perpendicular to the axis of cutter. Now we will see the third operation, which is side milling operation. In this operation, we can produce flat vertical surfaces by using a side milling cutter, and the depth of cut which is to be taken on the workpiece can be adjusted by moving the table up and down with feed mechanism of table. Now we will see the fourth operation, which is straddle milling. In this, we can produce two flat surfaces parallel to each other at the same time without changing the cutters. In this operation, two plane milling or side milling cutters are mounted on the same arbor. At a required distance, and this distance can be changed by using collar for maintaining the distance between two cutters as per requirement. This operation is mostly used to produce square and hexagonal surfaces. Now we will see the fifth operation, which is gang milling. It is the updated version of straddle milling. In this, more number of cutters can be used for machining the surfaces. In this operation, number of cutters are mounted on an arbor to conduct the machining operation in less possible time. All these cutters can have different diameters as per requirement. And this gang milling operation helps in mass production. With we can manufacture in workpiece in least possible time. Now we will see the sixth operation, which is angular milling operation. In this operation, flat slots are produced which are not parallel and perpendicular to the axis of the cutter. but these slots are inclined to the axis of the cutter. In this operation, single angle or double angle cutters are used, which are available in different sizes, different angles. Example, 30° and 60°. And this operation is mainly used to produce V slots or V grooves. Now we will see the seventh operation, which is form milling operation. This operation is used for producing concave or convex surfaces by using form milling cutters. And the shape of these cutters are same to the profile which is to be generated on workpiece. And this operation is performed very slowly as compared to the plain milling operation. Now we will see the eighth operation, which is end milling, slot milling or T-slot milling. This operation is used for producing flat surfaces which may be vertical or horizontal or can be inclined at any angle. But for producing T-slots, the operation can be performed vertically or horizontally. And this T-slots operation is performed in two steps. First, plain flat surfaces are produced, and then the T-slot cutter is used for producing T-slots in the workpiece. Now we will see the last operation, which is slitting operation. In this operation, a slitting saw cutter is used, and this cutter is has very large diameter, and thickness of this cutter is very less. This operation is used for cutting the large bars of metals into small workpiece, into small blocks which can be used for the workpiece. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed all the milling operations and enjoyed this video. And really, if you enjoyed this video, then like my video and subscribe my channel.